How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So let's say that you're trying to log into Snapchat and then you're not being able to log in for some kind of reason. What do you do in that case? So the reason why Snapchat blocks you from logging in is because they could have noticed some type of suspicious activity, such as maybe you were adding too many friends, any type of robotic or not human-like behavior from your account. In order to actually solve this, first of all, just long press the Snapchat app icon, tap the I button here, go to the storage tab, clear cache, and go to manage storage and make sure to delete the data. After that, what I want you to do is, in order for Snapchat to let you log in, you want to simply try to change your Wi-Fi, or maybe just try switching to cellular data. So over here you can basically go ahead and then just try switching to Wi-Fi to other, or just try turning on cellular data. If you don't have cellular data, you can use a VPN. The reason I'm telling you to do this is that Snapchat notices your activity from your IP address. So changing your network will most likely change the IP address and will trick Snapchat into thinking that it is a new person from a new account trying to log in, and as a result they should give you access back into your account. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.